Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be taking a look at a new app. It's called Adobe Scan. What this app does is it allows you to scan documents with your mobile's camera. Before going further on, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. First, let us install this app. So open Play Store and search for Adobe Scan. Here you can see Adobe Scan. Click on it. Then hit the install button. Once it has been installed, open it. When you open the app for the first time, you have three options. You can either sign in with Facebook, Google, or you can sign in with your Adobe ID. I'm going to use my Google account. You will be required to fill in some personal information, so let me quickly do that. As soon as you are logged into this app, you will be taken to the camera. The words "looking for document" will be displayed on the screen. Now let us check if this app works. For the demonstration, I will be using a printed A4 paper. I'm going to scan this paper using this app. So let me keep the paper down and then allow the app to scan the document. The time taken to scan the document will vary depending on the lighting conditions and also on the angle in which you place your phone. For faster scanning, you have to keep the phone directly above the paper. Once the document has been scanned, you will be taken to an editing page. As you can see, this page has a bottom bar which allows you to do some basic editing. For example, from here you can adjust the crop, or you can rotate the document or change the lighting conditions. You can choose whether you want the original photo or the enhanced one. If you click on the button on the bottom left corner of the screen, you can add a new page to the PDF. You can either take a new photo or add a photo from your gallery. After you have done editing, tap on the Save PDF button. This will take you to a new screen. The documents that you scan will be uploaded to Adobe's cloud storage facility. Once the document has been uploaded, you can view it just by clicking on it. You can also share it by clicking on this share button. With that, we come to an end of this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this, and also don't forget to watch my previous videos.